How to fix Cash App payment field error. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how can you fix payment field error on Cash App. First thing first, you wanna try updating your app. So head over to your respective app store and locate Cash App on the search bar. Once you do it so, you want to make sure that the app is updated to the latest version, and that should definitely help you out. In some cases, you might also try uninstalling your Cash app and reinstalling it. That might also be able to fix. In the next procedure, what you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch Open Settings on your device, locate Internet from the list, and switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. That should also definitely help you out. If that's not the case, while you're in the settings page, you also want to go to the app section and locate See All Apps. As you've done this, you want to locate Cash App and make sure to clear cache as well as storage. That should also help you out fix. If the issue still persists on, you then want to make sure to go ahead and check for your update. You then want to make sure to go ahead and change or update your payments or card details. That should also help you out. So this way you're supposed to fix your Cash App issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.